You are watching for the greater good.
In the Drawings Level 1 method, of Stage 1 class, we will draw all our sprites. Starting, by calling Character method, of Zima class. Then, blitting background image of Level 1, and finally calling Draw method of Enemy class, for each enemy. Coming to the last method of Stage 1 class, in this method we will initialize a variable run, with a boolean value, true. Then the main loop, which will loop, until run becomes false. Now we will check for events, starting with the quit event. If the user clicks on the cross marker, then, run will be assigned false and our loop will get terminated. In the keys variable, we will store the key, which the user presses. Now, we will call all the methods in our main loop. Till now, all is set. One important thing, which is left, is the gate effect. In the background picture, I will mark all the gates. In total, we will make 4 gates functional. When the player reaches close to the gate, then it will automatically move to the other side of the gate, and vice versa. So for each gate, there will be 2 conditions. 1, when going from left to right, while other, when moving from right to left. For 4 gates, there will be a total of 8 conditions. After gate effect, we will check, when player reaches the vault. So this is the vault. The vault is in the 4th corridor, For that self.player.y will be equal to 470, we will check whether the player is in range of vault or not. If the condition is true, then the main loop will be terminated after a delay of 1 second. Lastly, we will check for the player position. If the person presses left and x coordinate is greater than 30, then the player can move left. This condition denotes the extreme left corner. Similarly, this condition denotes extreme right corner of the screen. Else, if player is neither moving left nor right, then the player is standing. In the game intro method, after the music is loaded, we will create an object of stage 1 class, and call its method, level 1. All this happens when user presses start button. Similarly, we will do the same thing for quit button on intro screen. Finally, we will ensure that our file is run directly, and not imported. We will call the game intro method first. When the game is ended, we will display a screen containing thank you message for 2 seconds. Let's run our program. Oops, we have an error over here. So intro variable is not initialized. Let's resolve this. And again, there is a glitch in our program. It was due to the condition in line 235. Over here also, it is self.player.y, instead of self.player. Now it's working fine, so this is the end of our tutorial series. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now you can complete the game for level 2 and level 3. Also, you can easily make similar games, using the technique which you have learned in our series. See you next time, signing off, from the channel, for the greater good.